Hello traders, so welcome to the Crypto Trade One. So this account exchange H1 we are updating since long, and yes, today the account capital has already we started with the 50,000 and client has also increased the capital and we booked a good amount of profit in this account. And yes, currently the capital can see here with the spot and with the futures. So this futures capital, it's a capital which we are trading it. So we are trading in future and spot. So once we want to transfer from the future to spot, we are just transferring the fund. And yes, we are transferring the fund from like future to just, it's very simple step, and we can immediately transfer the fund to the spot and we trade into spot. So first we will see our all the future trades. And yes, order history we will check for the 3 months, at least they are allowing a 3 months history. Yes, and all the trades, the field means it has traded, see the BNB USD, it has been traded on 489 and booked the profit of 507, around $34,000 profit. So all the trades history we have updated Excel sheet. So this time and date can verify. So it's very transparent data. We have maintained Excel sheet for this exchange H1 account for the future trade. So currently after some time we have traded in a case market also. So those trades we will study today, and what are the profit and loss we have made it, and we will update this those trades in our Excel sheet as well. Yes, so no more data. The data has been finished and the first trade has been placed, the BTC USD. It was initially, the field means these are the field data, that means it has been traded 100%. Cancel means it is the data has been cancelled. So initially we started from the small lot size and gradually we have increased. So these are the complete history, and you get all the details into the Excel sheet, also all the data, profit loss, what are the trades, what are the loss, it's very transparent. Okay, so now we will check the spot data, spot entries, and this is the future. Yes, this is the spot margin, and we will check the trades for the spot here. Here we click it and we get all the order history for this one, and we will take the data for up to maximum. Yes, so see the profit has been booked, very excellent profit in a buy market. We entered in a burger, see the price 13.89, and mashallah, and thanks God we booked the profit of 18.6. So it's almost 138k profit has been booked in this client account. So total trades can verify here, all the order history can be monitored here with the USDT, whichever we have traded it and booked the profit. See the amount of profit has been captured, it's a huge profit by, see the all the trades. Yes, okay, all the trade has been done, and what are the trades we have placed, and we will maintain the Excel sheet for the spot trading also. So this is the spot trading history, and we are updating it so the client can confirm our Excel sheet performance with these live trade videos, as these are from the Binance account. And yes, you can verify all the trades, and these are the order history which has been filled, because if you go to the trade history there will be small trades has been placed, so it's a very long, so it's not like, see that it will count all the trades, small trades, and it takes because of the quantity we have trading it, and if you count it, it's very long. See the trade history, all the trade history. So yes, it's a long, so it's better to be go with the order history and we check the all the trades. So yes, you can ask and you can even connect with this your account, and there are the good opportunity currently into the crypto markets, so you can able to make a good amount of profit in this one. So hope it's a very enjoyable to see the live trades and live profit, and God willing we are trying hard to give the profit to our traders account as well. As wish you happy trading, and yes, you can ask our executive how to connect your account with our API access.